How to reset suggested content on Instagram. Here's how you can reset and see the content that actually match your vibes. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution and today I'll walk you through the process of how to reset suggested content on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Instagram app from your home screen. Head to your profile at the bottom and tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Find and click on the account center at the top. This is where the magic happens. Select your information and permission from the menu. Lastly, hit all the cross button to remove your past history. Now Instagram will start suggesting new content based on your current activity and interest. And just like that, your feed has been reset on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.